Hey guys, wanted to come on here and show you the Hopo Pro handheld shower head. I got this shower head because I live in an apartment and this just had a regular shower head, an immovable shower head, and I needed a handheld one. It was what I was used to and I needed to replace it. I replaced this by myself. It was super easy. And I love this, especially because I live in an area with hard water. And this has 39 anti-clog holes for the water to come out. And in a year, I've never had to unclog them. The water has never changed pressure. There's been no clogs. It's perfect. It's the brushed nickel, so it's super attractive. And it's got a 59-inch hose. I mean, this thing is super, super long. And it's great. I mean, it reaches almost all the way to the back of my shower. It's got 6 different settings. And when you're in the shower, it's super easy to change the setting with just one hand. And the settings include massage, rain, and there's even a water saving mode so that when you're lathering up or something, you can save water. Yeah, this is perfect. I love this. I'm really, really glad that I found this. It's very easy to get in and out of the holder while you're in the shower. I'm really glad I found this.